Hello students, today we will see directly the joint sector enterprises. Since in ICSE reduced syllabus, public sector enterprise has been removed. So let's see directly joint sector. Only meaning and features are there in syllabus. So joint sector enterprises means those enterprises which are combinedly owned by public and private enterprises. Or we can say in simple words, jointly by government and private individuals. That is called a joint sector enterprise. Maruti Udyog Limited is an example of joint sector enterprise. In these kind of enterprises, capital invested is by public and government both. Like in most of the cases, we see different kind of shares, and government may change from time to time the limits of such shares. So generally, the share should not be less than 26%. What is the significance of 26%? It is just over 1 by 4th of the total share. In short, it can be understood that when any sector needs heavy investment and government lacks fund, or another case may be when government wants to promote a particular industry or a particular business, it can supply capital to such enterprises, and thus a public enterprise after selling its share or divesting itself may become a joint sector enterprise, or a private enterprise when new investment in that enterprise is made by government, then it can become a public enterprise. Let's see some examples which will clarify the matter. Air India International provides other notable example. The company was established by the Tatas in 1948, and the government of India provided 49% of share in its equity. So it's a joint sector enterprise. Again, when government of India subsequently added additional 2% equity in the Tata Sons Private Limited, now that turned into a government company. But government is holding 51% and other parts are held by private individuals, so it will be called a joint sector enterprise. Now let's see what are its features. Features are that the participation of government or state government, central government, or jointly both the government should not be less than 26%. Again, some more characteristics are that a public enterprises after divesting its shares may become a public uh, private partnership. Now it is also called PPP model, that means public private partnership model, in which both the private individual and public individual invest money. Again, the management is generally looked after by the private owners, and a board is formed by private individuals, and that board looks after the management. The affairs of the that enterprise or company goes on as a private enterprise, and government invests in that. So all these are features of joint sector enterprise. I am sending you the note containing all the meaning and features. So go through it and revise it, and you will be able to understand. Next day we will start the different departments of commercial organization. So marketing and sales and all those will be there. So be prepared for that. Thanks.